Welcome back to Fork in the Kitchen. I'm Becca, here to help you make meatless meals that everyone will love. Today it's the versatile sun-dried tomato pesto, also known as Pesto Rosso, and I'm gonna show you my favorite way to use it. After you try it once, you're always gonna wanna have a batch on hand. I'll show you how easy it is to make. Let's get started. Let's first talk about the sun-dried tomatoes. I recommend buying the variety that is already packed in oil so that we can use that flavorful oil in the pesto. So I've already drained out what I could, but there's a little bit more, so I'll just show you how, you can hold them, drain out what there is, and then measure out the rest so that you have 2/3 cup oil total. We'll put those sun-dried tomatoes in the food processor, and then we'll add some walnuts, some Parmesan, garlic cloves, and then even though it's gonna get blended up, I'm gonna slice this into chunks. Can't forget the basil, and then a pinch of salt and red pepper flakes. Pulse this together until it's coarsely combined. Maybe you need to plug it in. Didn't I? I didn't. Pulse it until it's coarsely combined. All right, it's looking good. So we will let it run while the olive oil drizzles in, and you can keep going until it's the consistency that you like. I still like a little texture to it, so I don't want it completely pureed. All right, let's take a look. It's uniform, it looks pretty good. I'll give it a little taste test just to be sure. Oh, so good. Okay, let's transfer it to a bowl, and then I'm going to show you one of my favorite ways to use it. Okay, so that favorite way to use it is in pasta. So I'm going to show you how I make that pasta. It's so quick and easy. It's also great with eggs, spread on sandwiches. There's so many ways to use it. Not only do I love it with pasta, I love topping it with an herby ricotta. So I'm going to make that while the pasta cooks. I take about a 1/2 cup ricotta. And I'm going to chop a little bit of basil to put in there. Parsley would also be great if you have parsley on hand. A little lemon zest adds such a lovely brightness. And then a pinch of salt. Stir it up. It's gonna be so good on the pasta. So cook the pasta just under al dente, but make sure you reserve about 1 cup or 1.5 cups of pasta water before you drain it. Return it back to the pan. Ooh, my pan might be a little small. That's okay. And then add in that pesto. And start with about 1/2 cup of pasta water. Stir it up to combine, and I have it about over medium heat just so that pasta finishes cooking in the sauce. It's kind of an arm workout. Okay, it's nice and glossy from that pasta water. I'm gonna add just a little bit more to thin it out just a smidge, and then we can enjoy it. Let's dollop a good helping of ricotta on top. And then the perfect final touch is some toasted breadcrumbs. I will link a video here for you. They are just the perfect accompaniment. A little crunch with a creamy ricotta and the savory pesto. So good. Top with some basil. The moment I have been waiting for. Let's get a bite of all that goodness. Okay. Just like I said, all three of those, the breadcrumbs, the ricotta, the pesto, well, and the pasta. It's such a winning combination. Makes the perfect quick and easy dinner, but it's also perfect for lunch leftovers. It's also great on eggs, sandwiches, flatbread pizzas, even a charcuterie board. Endless options. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you like to use it, and I will see you back here next week for another meatless meal that everyone will love. Until then, happy eating. So good. I recommend buying. Wow, I gotta look fresh for the intro. But one of the things that I don't know.